Outrage is sweeping Maharashtra after 20-year-old Muslim youth Sulaiman Rahim Khan was beaten to death by a mob linked to a Hindutva group in Jalgaon district on Monday. According to his family, Sulaiman Rahim Khan was first attacked at a cafe in Jamner after being spotted with a Hindu girl. From there, he was dragged to a nearby temple and brutally assaulted with sticks and rods, then taken to his village, Betwad, where the mob beat him again. His mother, sister, and grandfather, who tried to intervene, were also attacked. Sulaiman Rahim Khan, the only son of his parents, suffered fatal head injuries and knife wounds to his private parts. He was declared dead at the civil hospital. Police have arrested 4 individuals and charged them under multiple sections, including lynching, murder, and kidnapping. The killing has sparked widespread condemnation. AIMIM State President Imtiaz Jalil, Samajwadi MLA Abu Asim Azmi, and AIMIM spokesperson Waris Pathan have all demanded strict action, blaming the incident on rising communal hatred in Maharashtra.